Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. This video will be about the side view face, and the upcoming videos will be on the front face view and the 3x4 face view. How we can draw a face with all the proper proportions and the face features placed on the correct place. We'll cover everything in this video and the upcoming videos. I make art related videos, tutorials, paintings, time lapse and many more. So I hope you like my content. If yes, drop a like because it motivates me to make more such videos. Okay then, without wasting much time, let's roll into the video. Okay, so whenever you are going to draw a side view face with proper proportions and the face features placed on their correct places, we have to just follow the basic fundamentals that are used. So here we are going to use the Loomis method, which is used to draw a face. I'm going to make a detailed video on the Loomis method in my upcoming videos. Till then you can also watch my previous video, which was on how to draw a face, where I have used the Loomis method. Now first thing we have to do is draw a circle and then divide it into 4 equal parts, that is draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. The vertical line here will represent the jawline and the horizontal line will represent the brow line. After completing this part, divide the lower portion into 2 more equal parts, where the one line will represent the nose line and the last line, that is the lower line, will represent the chin line. Also, the distance between the brow line and hairline will be same as the distance between the brow line and nose line, or nose line and chin line. Then draw a line parallel to the jawline and extend it below. Draw it from the one point of the brow line and join it to the another point of the brow line. Once you are done drawing the basic structure, now we have to go towards the face features. First we will start with the forehead line, that will be a slant line. It will be up to the brow line, and then a short curve from the brow line. That small curve will indicate the topmost part of the nose. Just keep one thing in mind, the line which you have drawn vertically. You don't have to place the features beyond that line except the nose. The pointed portion of our nose will only go beyond that line. And then to draw the lips, just divide the lower portion into 3 equal parts again, so that you will get the proper place or the proper proportion of the lips. Once you are done with this, then go with the structure. Just observe how our features, how our nose, lips and eyes and also chin looks like from the side view. Just observe carefully how I am drawing the features and the proportions of where they are being placed. Once you are done drawing the lips, just mark the curve for the chin and then extend an inclined line towards the jawline. It will indicate our jaw, and then comes the ear, which will be placed behind our jawline. And the measurement of the ear will be from the brow line to the lower part of the nose, that is our nose line. Next, as you have given the hairline, just draw how your hair looks like from the side view, and then draw the hairs, and you are done. And the main part, that is our eye, which will be placed little bit below the brow line. The brow line indicates where you have to draw the eyebrows, and then slide below it you have to draw an eye. This overall figure will give you a proper structure of a face from a side view. Now I hope you have understood how you can draw a side view face. Now just observe how I am going to draw the same, using the same principles which I told you. Just have a look at it, follow the principles, and you will draw correctly.